Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you day 14 little whale location in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, for day 14 guys, we need to find this black splash whale, and I'm going to show you the exact location where you can find this black splash whale. So guys, go to the Whale Canyon, and then you're going to go to the Jellyfish Cave, and the location is right here. Okay, and then once you find it, take a photo of the black splash whale. And now it's time to find the bubble so we can claim the viewer nature. Alright, this is the shell bubble location. It's right here, still in the jellyfish cave, and glad it's not moving so we can easily pop the bubble. Okay guys, and that's the day 14 little whale location, which is the black splash whale in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!